So the way that I'm coming out of my comfort zone shell, which is like funny to say if you know me because I'm like not uncomfortable ever, but I have been like stalking Lace Maid's website and all their socials and everything. I'm going to Paris in a few weeks, and I wanted some like fun outfits to take and some pieces, and one of these is like so not casual, and I was like, I'll just casually wear this to like Versailles and maybe Thanksgiving. Okay, so the box is gorgeous. I was actually really excited about the box, but the mailman like fucking destroyed it, so that's rude. I still got a cute picture of it, but still it's like demolished. Okay, so I got this. I haven't tried any of this on yet. I'm about to, but this is like really girly, even though it's brown, because I don't own anything like brown. I own like white and pastels, but I thought this was really girly and feminine. I thought this was really girly and feminine, and I thought I could wear this to the pumpkin patch and find something similar for my daughter, or something that just like coordinates, and go to the pumpkin patch and wear this fall. Now this one is exquisite. Like, if you go to Lace Maid's website, like I'm sitting here picking these things out. This feels like a whole wedding dress. It's very like Marie Antoinette. It's got long sleeves. I'm gonna be honest, when I like bought this, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep the sleeves long or not. I thought maybe I would just turn it into like sleeveless, just have like short sleeves. I don't understand how they're making such gorgeous, exquisite pieces for the price. Like, it's so affordable for what you're getting. Like, these two items were under $200. Like, I am like in love. Okay, since filming, my room has become a disaster zone, and Coco's in here. Coco, this matches you. So this is like the fawn jacket or something. I'll have it in the description what it's actually called. But this is so comfortable. I got a medium. Its details are just so pretty and girly, even though it's not pink or pastel. This is just like, it feels luxurious. It's got buttons and like a little tie so that it's like really flattering. And then this like little peplum thing, but I'm definitely gonna wear this to the pumpkin patch. And like this skirt, I don't know if this is like what I'm actually gonna wear with it. I don't really know. I don't have a lot of colors like this, but I think if I just found like a cream or a white, maybe I could wear. But yeah, I just wanted something that kind of went with it for the video. Hilarious. This, I do not normally dress like this dolled up. Like, I'm not a casual person by any means, but I thought that this would be really fun and like playful and like dress up, and I have a daughter, and like, I don't know. This, I can't zip it up myself. And I'm gonna have to ask my husband to, and I'm just like, he's about to be like, what the fuck did you just buy? It might be like a little small, the arms are kind of like a little tight, but I'm gonna see what happens once we get this zipped up. Hey Carter, can I get you to help zip me up?
Yeah.
But before you do, this is really not something I normally wear, but I think it's really cute. I'm gonna wear it in Paris like it's casual, and it's not.
Okay.
Just to warn you. It's really beautiful. Yeah, I look like a little granny princess, don't I? It's cute because I wanted some pieces that felt like more like dress up, and I was like, I'll just casually wear this to Thanksgiving.
My pilgrim. My grandma pilgrim wife. Love you.
I love you. Okay, allow me to show you this in like terrible lighting. But I mean, I love this neckline. This is exquisite. Like, I love this. I feel like I look like a cake. Yeah, so there's like some netting under the lace that I might try to cut out and see if that kind of loosens it up. Part of me thinks this would just be so gorgeous just without the long sleeves too, and maybe like a little bit more me and more comfortable. But I also am like scared to fuck it up, but like not that scared. I think I'll probably wear some like just ballet slippers because we're gonna be walking a lot, and I'm not really gonna be wearing a lot of heels while we're walking around Paris and stuff. But yeah, I think this is just, I mean, like, I love it.